Hi, my name is Tom Parker, and what you're about to hear is going to change your life. Over the next few minutes, you're going to be led into a little-known secret that allows ordinary people like you and I to make thousands of dollars online every single day from the comfort of their own home. Now, I'm not talking about trading or the stock market. I'm not talking about Bitcoin or any other so-called cryptocurrencies. And I'm certainly not talking about anything illegal. In fact, regular Joes are making in excess of $10,000 every single week from a completely legitimate website. And you don't need any special skills to use the site. You don't need any online experience, and you don't have to spend hundreds of hours hunched over your laptop to be successful. Take a look at this. That's $2,308.24 in one day. Here's $44,290.11 in 1 month. And that's a staggering $521,704.33 in 1 year. The money-making power of the website I'm about to tell you about really is incredible. But what's really surprising is that almost nobody knows about it. All you need is your computer and an internet connection. That's it. No more 9 to 5. No more rush hour traffic. No more boss breathing down your neck. Instead, you make money when you want to make money. Now, you might be thinking this all sounds too good to be true. And trust me, that's what I thought when I first came across the website. I'd been conned in the past by scammers who promised me the world, only to be left out of pocket. But not this time. I've now been using this website for just over 2 years, and in this time, I've made over $1 million in easy profits. And you can too. All you need to do to mirror my success is